Can you get my pencil and pad?
When you read, you can go any place. When you read, you can meet anyone.
Pad.
When you read, you can learn anything. You can dream.
He is a nice lad.
When you read, you can climb up a mountain, reach for the stars, walk on the moon. When you read, you can stomp with dinosaurs, swim with dolphins, ride on a horse. When you read, you can fly a jet plane, blast off to space, float down to earth. When you read,
Lad.
you can run in football.
That is
shoot
so
in
bad.
Basketball, ski on snow. When you read, you can go any place. When you read, you can meet anyone. When you read, you can learn anything. You can dream
Bad.
any dream. When
Jen
you
is so
read,
sad.
you can learn about dogs, learn
Sad.
about cats, learn about pigs. When you read, you can
Pad.
visit towns, see a big city, explore a country. When you read, you can learn about
Lad.
scientists, learn about athletes, learn about leaders. When you read, you can go back
Dad.
in history, study biology, travel the world. When you read,
Sad.
reading is cool, reading is fun. When
Join
you
at
read,
Dan
you
LaCraft
learn
for
anything
amazing
under the
homeschooling
sun.
activities.
Reading
If
helps
you are a
learn.
school or a
Reading
homeschooling
makes you
parent,
dream. When
get
you
your
read,
own
your
educational
mind
programs,
can be so
curricula,
free.
and video
When
classes.
you read, you can go